land amidst the pits and glitz of geometry. Symbolism living within the rhythm on the streets. Jungles of concrete, where the people be walking asleep. Consumed, talking they eat the fumes of Babylon, while I travel on to the land of Avalon to learn what I haven't known. Apprenticeships from avatars, avidly advocating the avant-garde. I have been scarred and had my memory jarred to get me to remember who the fuck we are. Return from whence you came, yes, the essence, the source, the energy, the bliss, the blessings, the mission, the message, the vision, the vestige of a new religion is etched in the way that I get down. The way that this shit sound as the world goes round and round.